You know, it's not easy being a female these days.
It's not easy.
All these guys around me, looking at girls, snapping pictures of her asses, like with J-Lo or something.
Not J-Lo.
You know, I don't get it. I just don't get it. Why you gotta look at my ass? Why can't you look at my face?
Look at my face.
God damn it.
God damn it.
Fuck these motherfuckers, you know? Let me just tell you something about these men. These guys treat us like bitches, looking at us like we're the wicked West riches. I don't give a fuck, motherfucker, looking at my butt like he wants something. Looking at my face, but he knows that he's frontin'. Check this out, baby, let me tell you a little something. I'm Sicilian kiss, I don't do any of that frontin'. He's like, baby, please, let me get a fucking feel. Damn, motherfucker, all you want is sex appeal? Come on.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
Unless you treat me right.
Yeah.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
Unless you treat me right.
Yeah, you ain't fucking tonight. Nope. You ain't treating me right. Nope. You ain't doing shit. Me and you are nothing alike. Nope. I might as well use my vibrator and then see you later. Fuck you, motherfucker. You ain't shit but a hater. This ain't R. Kelly and Biggie. No Britney, gimme, gimme. I do not spare shit. So please move your dick to the left, to the left, to the right. Get it out my face tonight. Get it out my face tonight. Get it out my face tonight.
You ain't fucking tonight. You ain't fucking tonight. You ain't fucking tonight. Unless you treat me right. You ain't fucking tonight. You ain't fucking tonight. You ain't fucking tonight. Unless you treat me right.
Sicilian kiss, I am the vocalist. Who the fuck are you to look at me like you want this? But you cannot get, cause I don't give a shit. How would you feel if all I did was look at your dick? This track is strictly for the ladies who ignore men knocking at a door. Let's knock it back one more. This track is strictly for the ladies who ignore men knocking at a door. Let's knock it back one more. You ain't fucking me tonight. What the hell you think I am? Come on, motherfucker. I can do better than you can. No wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Pebbles didn't fuck bam bam. You think you can. Get up in my mammogram.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
Unless you treat me right.
Yeah.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
You ain't fucking tonight.
Nope.
Unless you treat me right.
Yeah.
Right. Right.